Hello, in front of me I've got MGZS. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster. To navigate through instrument cluster, take a look at the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. We are going to use it to navigate through the instrument cluster. Firstly, we can push this lever left, right to change menu on the instrument cluster. Also, we can push it top and bottom to adjust the values on the current menu. Now, let's take a look at the instrument cluster and what we can find here. Firstly, we can find trip info. Here we can see current date, time, from start, from accumulated total, energy flow, and power meter. Next, we can see settings where we can change brightness level and overspeed threshold. Next, we can find assistant menu, tire pressure and full messages, and back to the main menu. Here you can find coolant temperature, odometer, drive mode, range, steering assist and eco pilot, and on the left side, tank capacity. Here you can find road sign assistant, and that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.